Hello guys, welcome to Refi UX. Myself Nimesh. This is the second video of implementation of secure office network for a small scale office. First video we discussed about enabling inter-LAN communication or rather reachability and FTP access. This video we are discussing about enabling inter-departmental communication through VLAN and uh, inter-VLAN communication. Let's start. How we can enable VLAN using VLAN and inter VLAN communication. How we can enable the interdepartmental communication. To do that, we'll get the route first. We'll using 2811 because in order to enable inter VLAN communication, we are planning to use router on the stick method. Okay, then I will connect the router to the switch using port F0/5, and here I will be using F0/0. Then first I will be configuring the switch there. First I will go to enable global configuration mode. Then I'll first change the switch name as S1, capital S1. Right, cool. Now what I'm going to do is I will create VLANs. Before that, what I'm going to do is I will show VLANs. We can see that none of the all ports on this switch are part of default VLAN, that is VLAN 1. So we are going to create 4 VLANs for the 4 departments: admin, finance, management, and operation. So we will name their VLANs as 101, 102, 103, and 104. Why is that? Because we have 3 such office branches, 2 another office branches. So there we can continue same VLAN concept as for the second office 201, 202, 203, and 204. And for the third office 301, 302, 303, and 304. So we will start configuration. First, I will create the VLANs. So I'm going to go to configuration mode. Then I'll create the VLAN. VLAN first one is 101. Then the name of the VLAN, name me. I can name the VLAN as ADM for the admin. Then again VLAN 102. Name of the VLAN as finance. Again VLAN 103. Name of the VLAN as management, MGT. And second final one, VLAN 104. Name of the VLAN as operation. Then again, if I give the command as show the VLANs, you can see now there are 4 VLANs we have created: 101, 102, and 103, and 104. But none of the ports have been allocated to these VLANs. So the next part is we need to allocate ports port 0/1/2/3 and /4 to each of these VLANs as access ports we have to allocate. And also port number 0/5 will be used as the trunk port. So we'll do that configuration now. Again, we'll go to configuration mode. Then we'll go to interface fast Ethernet 0/1, the first one, and switch port mode access, then switch port access with VLAN 101. Very simple. And let me show you how it works. And if we again go to the show VLAN, you can see now port 0/1 now has been allocated to VLAN 101, and the particular port is removed from the default VLAN list. So likewise, we can do the port addition, access port addition of to the other VLANs as well. There again, interface fast Ethernet 0/2, and the switch port mode access, and the switch port access is access switch port access VLAN 102. Then again, interface fast Ethernet 0/3, switch port mode access, so switch port access VLAN 103, and the final one, so interface fast Ethernet 0/4, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 104. And you can see that every time you'll get a CDP message saying that native VLAN mismatch. That is because some issue. Normally, this 291 on 296 series, this happens. So we can to avoid that, we can simply switch off the CDP discovery message. So to do that, what we can do is we'll go to no CDP enable. So we can go to particular interface fast Ethernet 0/1, no CDP enable, and run. No CDP enable, then okay, we can not run. We can give the same as interface fast Ethernet 0/2. Here again, no CDP run enable. Likewise, we can go to interface fast Ethernet 0/3. No CDP enable, and right, the final one is only VLAN 4 is there now. To do that, we can go to interface fast Ethernet 0/4. No CDP enable. Now the CDP discovery messages are not happening, not giving this message. Then again show VLAN. We can see that all these 4 ports have been allocated to these 4 VLANs. One is there, that is configured in the trunk port. To configure the trunk port, we'll go to interface Ethernet 0/5. They also first CDP enable. Then again we can configure this as switch port mode can be the trunk port. Very good. Now it is also there, and we can save the first configuration by giving right command. Then what we need to do is we need to configure the uh, route on a stick scenario so that we can enable the switching between the what do you call the among the VLANs. To do that, I'll go to the router first. I'll give no, then I'll enable configuration mode, and I'll change the host name first as R1. Then I'm going to do is interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Let me check, double check. Yes, it is 0/0. So what I'm going to do is first I'll give no shutdown. The port is up. Then again, what I'm going to do is interface fast Ethernet. I will create a sub interface here. Sub interface 1. Then encapsulations .1q VLAN. Then VLAN number. The first VLAN is 101. There, then the IP address is 10.0.10.1, and the subnet mask is this. Now go to the second interface, second sub interface, fast Ethernet 0/0.2, the sub interface 2, and again the encapsulation .1q, the second VLAN IP address. Then third interface fast Ethernet 0/0.3, encapsulation .1q VLAN 103 IP address. Oops, yeah, 0. Again, the final one, interface fast Ethernet 0/0.24, and encapsulation .1q 104, the IP address 0.0.40.1. All right. Now, if we show IP interface brief, we can see now we have the first something 0/0 is port is up, protocol is up, and we have 4 sub interfaces allocated default gateways of the respective VLANs, and they are also up and running. Cool. I'll write the configuration now. Cool. Then we can see the port is up. Now we can test for the correction work whether it's working. I'll go to first PC1. There I will first IP config. Oops. Config. You can see now we have a default gateway 101. Let's check whether we can reach to default gateway. Yes, we can reach to default gateway. Then let's see whether we can reach to other machine that is in the 20.2, the second VLAN. First they do the up discovery so that the first couple of packets will be lost, but second packet onwards it works, and now from the first packet onwards works. Now I have enabled the communication between VLAN 1 and VLAN 2. Now let's say VLAN 1 and VLAN 3. Right, 3 file service here. That is the first packet also again lost due to our discovery. but second packet onwards it works. Cool. And also between the VLAN 1 and VLAN 4, let's see whether it's working. Here also the first packet is lost, but second packet onwards it works. Cool. And you can see that all packets are now properly communicating, connecting, so that we have enabled successfully communication between inter-VLANs, or inter-VLAN communication has been enabled. Here we use VLANing for separation of the department, and also inter-VLAN using route on the stick scenario in order to enable inter-VLAN communication. So this ends the second video, so that we have completed around 90% of the single branch configuration. Now only one thing is left for the particular single branch, that is allowing access control mechanism in order to avoid other departments accessing each other file servers. So we can enable that using the access control list at the F00 at the router level. We will discuss that in the part 3 video. In this video, we demonstrated enabling interdepartmental communication through VLANs and inter-VLAN communication. This is the part 2 of four videos of enabling, or rather implementing, secure small office network video series. In the next video, we will discuss on implementing access control list in order to avoid other departments accessing each other file servers. I hope you have learned something out of this video. Please do like, comment and share. To know about the next video soon, please do subscribe to Prefer UX. Till we meet again, have a nice time.